Welcome back, Discovery friends. Today I'm going to read you a story called Rainforests. Beautiful picture of jaguar. Gleaming green leaves. Deep dark shade, hot steamy air, soft ground beneath your feet. Welcome to the rainforest. From lemon-colored snakes to lime-colored lizards, from electric blue butterflies to petal pink bugs, rainforests are full of amazing animals. Slither on the dark and shady forest floor. Huge pythons slip through fallen twigs and leaves. Enormous tarantulas tiptoe across roots. Poison dart frogs hop like jumping jewels. Sleek tigers through shadows. The forest floor is the bottom level of the rainforest. Shaggy bears shuffle along, looking for fruit and bugs to eat. Swoosh! Big bats swoop through leafy shrubs and twisting vines. Billions of bugs creep, crawl, flit, and flutter. In the understory, tree kangaroos climb, leopards lounge, and lizards leap. The understory is the level of shrubs, vines, and small trees just above the forest floor. Roar. High up in the canopy, howler monkeys whoop and roar. Macaws screech and toucans croak. The canopy level is above the understory. It contains the leaves and branches of giant trees. Here, hummingbirds zip from flower to flower, sparkling in the sunshine. Acrobatic monkeys swing from vine to vine. Red-eyed tree frogs leap from branch to branch. Mossy-furred sloths hang still as statues. Split, splat, splatter, boom! A thunderstorm moves in. Rain pours onto the canopy and beats against the leaves. It fills up the cup-shaped plants called bromeliads with water that creatures will drink and live in. It rolls down the tree trunks and drips off the vines onto the dark and shady forest floor. Can you see that, Tiny? Can you see that poison dart frog hiding in that plant? Rain falls nearly every day. All the plants and animals in the rainforest, from orchids to owls to orangutans, depend upon the rain. Drip, drop. Rain is what makes the rainforest so rich and full of life, and it makes beautiful rainbows. Rainforest layer cake. A rainforest is like a cake with 4 layers stacked one atop the other. Each layer or level is a different neighborhood with different kinds of animals living in it. Which layer would you like most to explore? There's a sloth and a toucan. The emergent layer is up at the top. Then the canopy. and the understory, and the forest floor. The bottom layer is the forest floor. It's covered with roots, fallen leaves, and low-growing plants. It's very dark and shady here because the leaves above it block most of the sunlight. Then you have the understory. The second layer is the understory. It's filled with shrubs, small trees, and thick vines winding their way towards the treetops. And you go up to the canopy. The third layer is the canopy. It contains the leaves and branches of the towering trees that stretch over the rainforest like great green umbrellas. Flowers, ferns, and mosses grow on the bark of canopy trees. It is bright and sunny up here. The emergent layer. The fourth layer is the emergent layer. It consists of the very tallest treetops, which poke above the canopy here and there. Tropical rainforests are very special places. In fact, more than half of all the different plants and animals on Earth live in rainforests. That's why it's so important to protect rainforests and keep them healthy. The plants and animals that live here need their rainforest homes to survive. This map shows on Earth where you can find tropical rainforests, all along, remember, our equator. Chapter 1, Rainforest Basics. Welcome to the rainforest. You might want your umbrella. In this chapter, you're going to learn why. Raindrops keep falling. It rains nearly every day in a rainforest. Drip, drip, pitter, patter, here comes the rain. Rainforests are woodlands that get lots and lots of rain. They are filled with leafy plants and trees growing very close together. Rainforests are also home to countless numbers of animals. Some rainforests grow in cooler parts of the world along the coasts. Those are called temperate rainforests. Most rainforests are found in the tropics, the parts of the earth near the equator where it stays warm all year. They're called tropical rainforests, or jungles. All the animals in this book live in tropical rainforests. The Amazon rainforest in South America is the largest rainforest on Earth. It's a tropical rainforest. Again, we already talked about the layers, and I'm going to talk about them again. All right, the rainforest layers at the tippy top. It's called the emergent layer. It's made up of very, very tallest treetops, which poke above the canopy layer. A rainforest can be divided into 4 levels or layers. Each layer is like a different neighborhood with different kinds of animals living there. Some animals spend their entire life in just one layer. Others will move between the layers to find food. The third layer of the rainforest is the canopy. It contains the leaves and branches of the tall trees that stretch over the rainforest like giant green umbrellas. And the second layer is the understory. It's filled with small trees and tangled vines. The bottom layer is the forest floor. It is covered with roots and rotting leaves. It's dark and shady because the trees above it block most of the light. Rivers flow through some parts of the forest floor. So you can remember, if you stand up, see if you can see me, and I'll go down to the bottom, forest floor. Then what's going to come next? Understory, canopy, emergent layer, forest floor, understory, canopy, emergent layer. All right, now you can go get a piece of paper, and I want you to use like markers or crayons, paint, pastels, anything you have at your house, and make me 4 layers of the rainforest. That's all you need to do today. There's a picture that your parents can show you of an example that I tried to do at home with whatever art supplies I had. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.